What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This is where we cover all of the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space, from altcoins to meme coins, you name it. We're checking it out on the channel. Tonic fam, Crow fam, I'm back with another video on Tectonic. Can't not talk about Tonic on the channel. I just have to. Can't wait until it explodes in the future, man. I know it will, man. Just give it time, give it patience. Tonic right now sitting at 34 million market cap, 67k 24-hour trade volume, 30,700 people on Tonic's watch list. There's a lot that is happening with the Tonic ecosystem, and I'm sure it will continue to just keep growing, guys. Don't worry about the price action right now. Everything is taking a hit because of the SEC. The SEC suing Binance and suing Coinbase, and all of that is just fake FUD that was created. So the market is taking a hit right now. But remember, guys, we were covering Tonic around that 10 million mark, yeah, around that, and it's still up 3x from where we were covering it at. So still very bullish on the project. I could from Davo 77, I can assure you, bears, that I'm definitely not a dev or any part of the Tonic team. I just believe in what I invest in. If I lose money, any money, I'm not like you. I don't hold any grudges and carry on and keep, hey, man, that's so bullish, Davo. I don't hold any grudges and carry on in the way you do with this constant hate campaign. Your posts are all based on speculation. You have no proofs to back up what you say. I'm simply can't be bothered reading or responding to what you say anymore, and that's why I have all but closed my account down. I don't like talking to bitter, immature idiots. Davo, man, I don't know what drama is taking place in the Tonic community, but that is so respectable. If every investor was like that, I have gotten wrecked so many times, but I take accountability because it's my fault. It was my decision for not buying this at the right time or selling this at the right time. That is how it is in the space, man. That is how it is. That's how crypto is, guys. Like the volatility on Tonic isn't even anything crazy. The volatility isn't. Have you guys tried being in meme coins? You're only down if you bought up here. Like, say for example, you bought up here, right? You're only down like what, 50%? Not that much. We were talking about the project back here before it made the move, right? But man, like the volatility on Tonic doesn't even require such bearish sentiment. it's so like it's such a stable chart in comparison to like meme coins and other altcoins. I'm bullish on Tonic. There's a lot of bearish people right now. As soon as the project pops up, they're gonna start FOMOing back and being bullish again. But yeah, honestly, man, if you lose or get wrecked in the space, take accountability. It's nobody else's fault but your own, and then you take that lesson and you learn from it to be better for the future, right? Again, Tonic is one of those big altcoins on the Chronos ecosystem, and in my opinion, when Chronos starts making moves, that's when Tonic will start making moves as well. It's literally the same thing as the Crow chart. We've seen this time and time again. I've showed you guys this, on the 7-day especially, right? It's basically following the Crow chart. So when Crow is on its way to $2-3, which I think Crow will go to $2-3 in the future. If you don't believe that, that's on you. So if you got 100k Crow, shout outs to you. But if you don't have that much to invest, right, you could just, in my opinion, Tonic for me, in my opinion, is like a leveraged Crow. If you don't know how to trade, if you don't know how to trade on leverage, you don't know how to long or short, futures trading, perp trading, none of that. You want some leverage trading, you get in Tonic, man, because Tonic is like a leverage Crow. When it's short, you go short, it dumps harder than Crow does. When it pumps harder than Crow does, right? So it's like a leverage crow. When crow is on its way to $1, $2, $3, Tonic is going to follow and absolutely crush it, you know. So right now down 1%. It's still in this range, you know. I know people get bored at charts like this. Obviously, like I said, we're a bit more bearish because of the SEC FUD. But yeah, man, the chart has been holding up so well. All it takes is one catalyst for it to explode, just like it did back here, right? Don't rule that out, guys, at all. 63.6k followers on Twitter. They recently put out a tweet. Good morning, Tectonians. Effective of 21st June. Some market parameters for Atom market will be updated, which might result in some accounts being liquidated. Please repay loans or top up collateral before the said date to mitigate any liquidation risks. For details, please refer to the infographic or for our Gitbook for the latest market parameters. Okay. Nice stuff. Telling you, man, the project keeps building, the team keeps developing, keeps doing what they're doing. And like I said, as far as altcoins, or as far as the Crow ecosystem, if you're bullish on the Crow ecosystem, you have to be bullish on Tonic as well, in my personal opinion, because it's one of the better altcoins on the Kronos ecosystem, as well as VVS Finance, guys, in my personal opinion, right? So yeah, I'm always gonna remain bullish on Tonic. Beers or not, people fudding or not, that's on them, that's up to them. You know, the Tonic fam, Crow fam, always crushing it, always, doing their best, always spreading the word of the project. I haven't checked out I haven't checked out the recent hashtag Tonic tweets in a minute. Let's see. You are doing great job, Tonic. Smart from Tectonic Smart. Now check out Tectonic Fi. When is Tectonic deleting zeros? Before you know it, man. My video right here getting love, which is awesome. Crow Adam, Tonic Crow and Tonic. I'm telling you guys, look at this. Look at most trusted crypto from top BSC news. And this is BSC, this isn't even the Crow ecosystem. Tectonic VVS, right? Someone tell Tectonic to do something. That's the thing. That's why people are bearish, because the chart is just stable. it's like a stable coin, right? So people are like, oh, this is so boring. Everything else is pumping. Why is my Tonic bags not pumping, bro? Invest, lock your coins up, or hold them in your wallet. And forget about it. Wait until next year, next couple years, man. Crypto Millie, Vino just got listed on Gate.io. Tells Tonic will get listed soon. I'm telling you, can't rule that out. Remember, Vino is a partner of Tonic, so Vino getting a partnership with Gate.io means Tonic could get a listing on Gate.io as well. Right here again, most trusted crypto. Look at that, Tonic VVS from crypto space. Super bullish stuff, man. I'm telling you, project is extremely bullish. This is one of those projects that you invest, be an investor in. An investor meaning you buy it and forget it. You think Warren Buffett became a billionaire like in his first year of investing? No, he made it his investments, and as the years went by, his investments started to grow, and that's when he became a billionaire. Things take time. Things always take time. Even in the crypto space, where things could go 100x in like a week, 2 weeks. If you're a smart investor, you deal with projects that, even though they don't 100x in the 2 week time frame, they could still do that in maybe a year, 2 years, as the years go by, right? So yeah, shout out to all of the Tonic fam. Shout out to all the Tonic fam, man. Let me give everyone some follows, man. This is my other account that I'm on. I gotta go back to my main account and get to following people, but yeah, man. Tonic fam, Crow fam, thank y'all so much for watching, tuning in. I really appreciate it. Let me get your thoughts in the comment section. As always, please be sure to like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. You know, I will still be covering the project, even though I cover other projects now. I will still, you know, drop in a Tonic video to update you guys, to give you guys some info as always. Thank y'all so much for watching. I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.